Hi, I'm Adriana with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker. I'm gonna host an open house this Sunday at 12 to noon. You are welcome to stop by.
We hope to see you. We're here at 22 Pearl Street in Windsor, Connecticut. This is a fabulous home you don't want to miss. It has 1,087 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. 1-car garage, level lot, central air, young roof, young heating system. You don't want to miss this one. And if they want a private showing, they can call Adriana at
860-835-0881.
We look forward to hearing from you.